Good morning, good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. And today we are going to see how soundhound. Remember, guys, the last day I talked about soundhound. It was around almost $3. Three, in fact, 3 days ago, and I show you about the charts and what was going on with the soundhound. So we bounces back, soundhound bounces back. We all the way soundhound rocket more than 30% since we touches pre-market around 320, and then we open from that area after went down a lot of percentage. We open another which is on Monday, or on Monday. You call Monday, Monday 76. Went all the way to this resistance around 445, and then today we went to 455. We tested this resistance, and then market also rejected. So what's going on? So finally, and this is going to be another thing that you need to watch. So here the chart is still bullish, and on RSI down here also we still building, guys. Remember, we touches oversold, but it was not actually oversold, and market today was weak, and soundhound also was weak. Remember, guys, nvidia was coming down, and whenever you see soundhound closing above, remember, guys, I didn't buy anything. I did technicals the other day, and then I show you the cup that we are supposed to, you are going to almost close, but I think we close it. Yes, we close it. You see this cup over here, guys, we close it. So we have we had two cups. So after we came back here, we close, which is this, guys. I think this is the buying opportunity. Buy sound around $4. So we have this one, no, not this one, but we had this cup here that I draw my charts over here. We had that cup that if stock, because we failed to break above and close above 442, and also down here on RSI also we didn't reach oversold. So remember, guys, be ready of all of these things because market is still volatile, and so let me I'm trying to let me go back here, and I want to see something over here. So this is what I was talking, guys. So don't watch this one. Let me delete this one so that doesn't confuse you. I say over here on RSI we didn't reach oversold, but we pull enough from $10 to here. We pull almost -70. So you buy a puff here, you are on part, and technical that you see over here on soundhound. This is the huge. There are two things going to happen. Either we are going to make double bottom around this area, which is 3 or something, but remember we still have $1. But now I want to bring nvidia here. Remember, guys, if nvidia is still running, so soundhound also still running, so it's something very correct. It's the same thing. So nvidia today is -3. But the good thing with nvidia right now, guys, let me show you something now about nvidia. When you see the charts over nvidia here, so nvidia, we have this candlestick you see over here, which is sometimes it's just like here. Whenever you see the candle like this over like this, it's showing we have some another push up. But now we are here right now, which is around right now 786. That is the support. But most of analyzers, with me, with anybody else, we are calling nvidia. We have this physical structure which is around 743, which we tested. We said it before pushing this one. In fact, it dropped more than this one. It came almost to 720s. It pushed back, and then we have this where, guys, in future I'm going to buy nvidia here, which is around 645. uh, if this thing, guys, if this is the correct support that I'm showing you right now, and if you believe in, because there is something here, we didn't reach oversold, right? It didn't reach oversold, and it's not a must to reach oversold, because previous days we came here on RSI, which is 56, and the stock was around 700 to push almost 1000. And okay, this way something went wrong with the nvidia. Nvidia did a double top here. One, two. I didn't notice this one, this two, and then this is it was the valley, right? And then from here, which was 850, which is the valley, and the top is almost this price, which you sometimes I don't know how this work, but I will try to see. I'm still watching. So from here to here, this stock ran all the way around. I'm going to show you that percentage. Wait a minute. So it ran 16%, right? So the same way which we are going to watch nvidia coming days, we are watching the same thing to happen in nvidia, to drop another 16%, and I'm going to bring you right now between here. So we want to see those prices, how much if nvidia will drop. So nvidia will drop around $138, and that's equal to 600 and between 700 flat. So we are watching nvidia to, because, guys, that's the people saying, because I don't know, this one I've been from person, if stock ran from when they did, I've already destroyed this my charts over here. I've already destroying my charts. So, guys, I've already destroyed my charts, man. So I'll go to draw another one, but yeah, so yeah, let me put by time this time. So I'm going to fix these structures that I destroyed some few minutes. Yeah, it was like this one. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, so that's why I say we tested here today, and the next support for nvidia, if it will drop this way, I say around 630 something, but if the percentage is going to play the same, we are going to come on halfway here. And then another thing also that you need to watch, because let me make sure if I draw something which is, let me make sure, because it's good to make sure today that so this is the support. Stock ran all the way to here, which is the top 16.3, and then we need to see another from the same location to 16.3 here, and that will be $691. So in future we might be seeing those price on nvidia. Guys, nothing is a financial advice, so we are trying to see structures and support. And also we see over here right now we have this one pointing downside, and weekly, which is showing we are on long-term downtrend on nvidia, and on RSI you see it's around, you are waiting, you want to see this on RSI to pull back to around 50. So and even you see on weekly chart, let me delete this one so that you will see this thing is on serious downtrend. Let me yeah, so I want to show you the weekly candlestick on nvidia. You see this huge sell-off, and even this week we have not yet closed this week on nvidia. You see this one, and by Friday this maybe we are going to close around less than 756, and that will be our roadmap. We are going to, I already say we are going to drop somewhere around 700 flat, or even 636. So remember, the chart that I'm drawing over here right now is for financial, not for, this is not for financial advice. This is to see things, guys, how is core nvidia is working. And I'm going to print the closer stock which is closer to nvidia also, and that is I want to see this one. You see, even on RSI here, you see this thing, it did we have this serious double top. And if this one, guys, one day one time is going to drop like here we saw over here, this will be severe on nvidia. Yeah, it will be severe. But remember, this stock is still growing, but somewhere right now on monthly chart you need to be worried about it, because if when the time is going to crash, you will want, but not now. So maybe in the future, this is I'm expecting something in the future. I don't know when this thing to drop like a Tesla in future. Remember, Tesla long term was, so Tesla right now is on the on correction. So the long term. So let's talk about Palantir, guys. So Palantir, we have earnings next week on Palantir, and this is what we are going to watch on Palantir. When you use monthly chart, guys, this thing is like here is pointing upside on monthly chart, and also here that is called even on RSI on the downside right now, but it's above 50, which is extremely bullish. Yeah, it's still long term, still we have some bullishness on Palantir, and before Palantir is going to crash, Palantir is going to reach more than, it will be less, it will be not less than $50. Yeah, before major corrections. Remember, guys, so there is something now you need to watch on Palantir. These things, guys, always starting shown before earnings, and today I'm going to talk about the Palantir earnings. Last round I made good profit on Palantir, and this is what you need to watch on Palantir, guys, which is the chart is already setting on long term. In fact, this thing chart is pointing upside without stock pointing outside. You see, there is no any volume here, but the charts even here, like you see, is telling you something big is. Remember, guys, about the RSI is always showing momentum. This guy is showing some people. Remember the last earnings that we saw over here? We saw this only big candlesticks we saw and just push it all the way around RSI, which is those around 40 something. So you push all the way to overbought, and after that we saw this, you see this one candle, and then it bounces few of the rigid oversold, and I'm going to show you the value of the stock, because I'm planning to go to buy calls. In fact, I'm going to sell some of my calls of the that I'm holding somewhere, and I'm going to risk I'm going to risk to buy palantir calls. So because I make a lot of calls last round, and this round also we might be seeing another breakout. Two things is either is setting over here, either is setting us that when they're going to make earnings, that just looks like it's overbought. Because when you see that Tesla, guys, momentum was not, there is no momentum on Tesla before earnings, and then finally after earnings we send off. So some things are there are not three but two stocks which I'm going to risk this round to buy calls before earnings, and I'm ready either to lose everything. So you see over here, guys, this is what I was drawing this one, like to watch these charts on Palantir. Remember I was talking few days about head, shoulder, neck, and we came all the way, because this is, if you I didn't talk about the what's the name, like the double top, but we didn't have double top here, but we have head, shoulder, neck, and it was another shoulder. Okay, but even if you cannot consider this one like a shoulder, where you can consider more as a shoulder by this chart here, this you can consider here is like a shoulder, and then here like a neck. But if you consider here like a neck, because it was acting also here like a support, we break it. We saw this one showing some buying charts, and now because we are now working, oh, this was daily, guys, this was daily, and the stock pushed from this oversold that I was talking, and is setting for earnings here, which is, and today's stock is not even not a negative, because I told you guys people are laughing Palantir, and this is what I'm going to, if you want to buy this one, you need to buy call when it's red. Yeah, you can buy whenever it's red. So but tomorrow we are going to watch most of things, and the final one, which is I'm going a super microcomputer, which is I don't know today, but we know last week you lost more than 20 something percent, and then I saw yesterday. Today, guys, I was not around to watch everything which was happening, that's why I didn't make any videos, but there's something over here. Beautiful charts, I like it. Yeah, say I like it. So this one, guys, this thing over here right now, we are under this downtrend of super microcomputer. We had this bottom before we push it from around 800, in fact 676, to push to 1200. Remember, that's even not a 50%, that's 100%. Remember, this thing, guys, was moving like a meme stock. So from here 700 or 690, I think so. Let me make sure. yeah, this line, which is it was suppose 696, you push all the way to 1200, which is almost 100%. We make another some bottom, which is the 1 2 which I was watching. You reach it here, we find another, we make a downtrend, we test it again, we try to break out. Before earnings, they say something which was not good. Stock is here. So, two things going to happen, guys, on a super microcomputer here. So it's about guidance, because the stock is already lost 50%. We have double bottom over here, right? Because we left this one, I don't know. Okay, you can see, guys, head and shoulder pattern here and neck. Everything, remember, guys, this, something like this one is forming something that you need to be you must be very, very brief, and you need to watch all of the patterns. Yeah, so guys, we have this pattern right now, which is accurate. So we have here, guys, so, and I want you to go to tell me right now if I'll say, because I've already shown you that you have this bottom and the bottom, and this bottom sometimes, you know, see bottom, and this bottom is acting like a neck. And then here you will tell me, guys, 1 and 2 here, 2 here. We have this one also, which is okay, yeah, there is something now. Can you call this one head? No, shoulder, head, neck, and then so there are some things here, guys, you need to be, when you are doing some structure like this one, you need to analyze. If you forget this area, you can have this one like a head, shoulder, neck, and then shoulder here. So everything is not make sense over here. So there are two things here. So we are going to watch this downtrend. You can call this one as a double bottom. Remember, this one we have not yet to make this one like a pot. We need this thing to confirm, like you see this zigzag, like to point the upside the cane here to show that the stock is going, because we close to the red. If tomorrow we'll close green and then we move upward, we can call that one, I don't know, guys. This one is crazy, and we still monitoring the structures. So guys, I don't have much to say. Thank you so much and have a nice day. We are going to monitor super microcomputer. I don't have any shares here, guys, just doing technicals and looking more. Bye, guys.